Welcome back to Do As I'm Doing. This is a quick, helpful video to solve a weird problem. If you bought a kit from IntelligentOneTech.com instead of one of the other Sync 4-inch to 8-inch competitors to save some money, and you have a weird issue where after all of the programming and getting on with their tech support, that all of your CarPlay audio comes from your right front speaker and nothing changes, as well as the microphone being able to hear initial commands but not follow-up commands. For example, I could say, hey Siri, wait for the beep, and then say, call my wife and tell her she better have dinner ready. It couldn't hear the second part of the command. It could hear the first, the microphone activated, but then after it started listening, it couldn't hear. Also with phone calls, I could say, hey Siri, call mom, and it would make the phone call, but then it couldn't hear afterwards. Now that's different than the known issue where they have to just go into FORScan and change one setting to activate the Bluetooth. Mine, after all of the struggle with the tech support, they couldn't make that work. It was always front right speaker, and it couldn't hear follow-up commands or phone calls. And so they finally concluded that I needed a different harness. They sent me, this is the original harness. They sent me a different harness. I looked over all of the connectors, all of the wires, I couldn't find anything different other than they used a different color wire. They were like mostly green instead of these red and orange. But I suppose it's possible a pinout was changed or a wire was crossed. I didn't inspect too carefully. I went through the trouble of installing that. By the way, pick yourself up some dash removal tools, some electric tape, some zip ties. That helps. All the links are on Amazon. Helps the channel out if you use those. But I went ahead and installed the new harness, and I couldn't believe it. Sure enough, I didn't change anything else, didn't change any settings in FORScan again, and now all of the audio comes out of all the speakers properly, and Siri can hear me with both initial commands and follow-up commands, and phone calls work just fine. So I know I didn't show you a ton here, but I know there's going to be someone out there searching like, what the heck is going on? And now you know. Hopefully that helps. Until next time, continue to do as I'm doing. Peace.